Hey guys, this is Zafar from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about books. I have made different videos. It contains about many videos about books. But the problem is that only few of the videos are getting popular. People are watching only few of the book videos. However, I have recommended more than 1000 books on my channel. So I highly suggest you to go to my book recommendation list. It contains all the books and I am a bibliophile. I love to collect books. Though I haven't read almost all the books, but I try myself to learn and implement into my life. Knowledge not used is garbage. If you are having some skills, if you have learned something, and if you are not implementing into your life, it won't make any difference. So regarding books, I would highly suggest you to go to the book recommendation list. I have made a book also regarding my book recommendation on Amazon and it is selling. It contains about more than 150 books which I have recommended. And this is a study of my collection of books. I have studied in what areas, in what section it will be helpful. For example, if you want to attract money, abundance, there are different set of books. If you want to go for career, then there are different set of books. If you want to go for personality, your self-improvement, your approach, your communication skills, then there are different type of books. So I categorize different books. Do check out my book recommendation. You can search on Amazon. And if you are looking for any book that I have made, you can just type the name Huzaifa Surti on Amazon.in and you will get all the list of my books. I have almost made 30 books right now. Though there are some of the journals, that is the KDP journals, and remaining are my self-written books, which I have planned and what I have learned throughout. I have noted down in a document. I have made a documentary. I have documented it so that it will be helpful to others also. So that it will inspire others, it will motivate others, and that's what the reason I have created this channel. And the most important goal in one's life is, there are 3 things the man must be feel proud of. First is to plant a tree. Next is to write a book. And the last is to give birth to a son, to become a father. These are the 3 main crucial things a man must have in his life. And I have done 2 of the things already and now 1 is remaining. This is a Jewish saying, right? Jewish people have followed this principle and they have told what man is capable about and what he should do in his life, right? So 2 of the tasks I have already completed, planting a tree and writing a book. And I will be writing more books, right? I have many plans, right? The problem is that I am stuck somewhere and I need some motivation to get my videos great views, and I will be searching more, right? I want more sales of my books. That's where I am lacking, right? You need self-motivation to get onto path. When you are not self-motivated, when you are not getting that pump, that motivation, then you stop doing that work. YouTube is also like that, right? There are lot of people making videos, but somehow or someday they are just feeling down and they stop making videos. Why? Because they are not feeling that pump, that motivation. They are not getting the views, they are not getting the comment, they are not getting the appreciation that they wanted, right? So these are some of the things which I am looking for and which I am planning currently, right? I am always trying to create something, to produce something. Be a producer in your life. Be a co-creator. Create something amazing. Create something awesome in your life, right? That's where you build your legacy, your community, right? That's where people chase you, people follow you. That's where money, fame, glory, wealth, etc. chase you. You don't chase themselves, but they chase you because you are on your goal. You are so much focused. You are so much mindful. Nothing can stop you. That mentality, that mindset you are having every day when you wake up in the morning. Right? So little bit I'm having some problem, but still I'm doing my best, right? So these are some of the stuffs. Please go through my book recommendation and please search for my name on Amazon and try to get my books, right? And let me know the feedback. The feedback is important. When you create something and when people appreciate you, that means you have done something amazing. Same is any kind of creation, whether it is writing book, creating video, any damn thing. When you get appreciated, when you feel appreciated, when you feel that power, that self motivation, that thing that okay, my creation is now approved, people are liking, people are following, people are giving feedback, whether it is negative or positive, it will urge you to make more. I hope you are enjoying this content, right? If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity, and remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.